stop. Let's get off.
What is the station called?
Beginning sounds. We're going to the biggest store you have ever seen. Listen, you two. This is a game. I'm going to show and tell you the names of things. You have to tell me the first sound you hear. Have you got that?
Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Ready? Fine. This is bat. Now, what was the first sound you heard?
B sound.
Good. Now, find some other things beginning with B sound.
I see a ball. Ball begins with B.
I see a balloon. Balloon too begins with B, right?
Right. See this toy cat. Cat. What was the first sound you heard?
K. K sound. Here is a toy camel. Camel also begins with K.
Look, a cup. Cup starts with K too.
You must remember something here. This K is called cat K. Remember that.
Why? Why is it called cat K?
Wait a while. You will soon find out. What's making that noise?
A dog.
And the beginning sound of dog?
Duh. Dog begins with D. So do dish and donkey too.
You're a clever little hippo.
My turn now. You give me a sound. I will find something for it.
Really? Okay. The sound is F. Show me something here that begins with F sound.
Fish and fan. F.
I like this game. Mama Yane, can you give me a name and I will give you the sound?
Sure. Girl and goat. What was the first sound you heard?
G sound. G.
Right. The next sound is H. Can you guess something or someone for her sound?
Hippo. H. Hat. H.
Head. H.
Good, you two. Now, something that begins with J sound. Let's see in this book. A picture of a jug and a jeep. Beginning sound J.
As in jam, that begins with J sound too.
Yes. Now, look at this. This is a kite. Kite K.
But Mama, didn't we already do K sound?
Yes, we did. This is also K. But this is called kite K. What we did earlier is
Cat K. What other things start with kite K?
a kettle, my key. Both begin with kite K sound.
And the train driver is a kangaroo. That's kite K sound too.
Hey, that was a good one. Now, here is a lamp and there is a ladder. Beginning sound
L sound.
lion, log also begin with L. The next sound a fruit, mango, and the beginning sound is
Ma. Monkey, moon, they begin with Ma too.
good. What is after Ma? Hips. Do you remember from the song?
Is it? No.
Right. Nest and nail begin with na. So do neck and nose. They all begin with n sound.
What's next, Mama? This is all so easy, isn't it, Hips?
Yes, it is.
Is that so? Okay. Hips, give me the beginning sound for pot, pan, peacock, parrot.
Beginning sound P.
Super! Chinu, your turn. Queen, quarter, quack.
Qua sound. Qua, qua, qua.
Right. Now remember, you get quer by putting k and w together. K, w, quer. Whose turn is it now?
Mine.
All right. Rabbit, rat, ribbon, rocket.
Easy. Raw. I hear raw.
Chinu, what is this? And that? And that up there?
Sofa, sand, and sun. Oh, I know. They all begin with so sound.
Hips, what do table, telephone, torch, and tent begin with? Yes. Listen, we have only a few more sounds to do. Shall we have a fast round? A quick one?
Yes.
Chinu, van, vase, vegetables. Window, well, watermelon.
What?
Yellow, yolk, yo-yo, yacht.
Your sound. Yeah.
Zoo, zebra, zero, zip.
Z.
And we finished. Beginning sounds. Chinu, is something wrong?
Mama, have we done all the sounds?
No, not all. But what we did is enough for now. Come, we must go. There's a train to catch.
Yay!
Let's go. Look at them running off like that. They forgot to tell you something. Children, there are 2 activities for you. Do them quickly and then join us at the next station. Bye. Activity 1. Here are some pictures for you. Guess their name and then say their beginning sound.
Good. 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 Good.
Pebbles Kid Stories.